I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making Rocky Road bars. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Our compadre Paul requested an episode on Rocky Road bars. Some of you may not be familiar with these classic candies, but they've been around since 1918. They're not as popular as they once were, but you can still find them if you know where to look. I picked one up just a few weeks ago at a vintage candy store that I happened upon. Just doing research, you understand? They're a very simple treat, just marshmallow and cashew dipped in milk chocolate. They eventually offered a few variations though, like mint, s'mores, and the one we're going to make tonight, dark chocolate and sea salt. Another thing I like about these is that the simplicity allows you to make just one or two at a time instead of a whole batch. So there's never more than just a few minutes between craving and satisfaction. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Rocky Road bars, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, let's make this happen. To make 8 Rocky Road bars, you'll need 4 large marshmallows, 1 1/4 cups of dark or semi-sweet chocolate, 4 tablespoons of crushed cashew, and about a ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm using fleur de sel because I like the mouthfeel and the way it looks, but feel free to use whatever you'd like. You'll also need some kitchen shears, a couple of bowls, 1 or 2 precision dipping instruments, a spoon, and a cutting board lined with silpat, parchment, or waxed paper. Before we continue, let me say that if you'd like, you have the opportunity to up your Rocky Road game here. Instead of using store-bought marshmallows, start by making the gourmet marshmallows we did last year. I'll include a link in the description. Not only will your final product be shaped more like an actual Rocky Road bar, but the flavor of homemade marshmallows is just out of this world. Okay, let's make some candy. Cut the marshmallows in half. Temper your chocolate. Take a couple of spoonsful of the melted chocolate, add it to the crushed cashews, and give it a good mix, making sure that all of the cashew bits are fully enrobed. Dip a marshmallow half in the chocolate and place it on the lined cutting board. Top it with some chocolate-covered cashews. And give it a sprinkle of salt. Do the same with the rest of the marshmallows and let them rest until the chocolate is set. And that's it. Okay, let's give this a try. Sláinte mhath. This is really good. Texture-wise, you've got that crispy crackle of well-tempered chocolate, enhanced by the crunch of the cashews, contrasted by the chewy marshmallow. As far as flavor, the dark sharpness of the chocolate works perfectly with the creamy sweetness of the marshmallow and the nutty sweetness of the cashews, with the salt coming in to really just complete the package. If you want a treat that's super simple and super tasty, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Some of you may... Another thing I like about these is that the simplicity of the... Oh, man.